8:04, time to ask the attorney your legal questions. We've got attorney John Haymond back with us this morning, and it is good to see you. Got to get a question answered from Buck D, who wrote in to say, I'm from Connecticut, and I got into an accident up in Laconia, New Hampshire on Sunday night. It wasn't our fault, and my wife is still laid up in the hospital there. Fortunately, we are both going to be okay, and my question is, how do we go about getting back on our feet physically and financially? I know motorcycle accidents, which I'm guessing is happening here, certainly your specialty.
Well, it's one of our specialties, certainly, and regrettably, I didn't attend Laconia this year. You know, Laconia is the oldest motorcycle rally in the United States, far older than Sturgis or Daytona, and you can expect anywhere from 250,000 to 500,000 motorcyclists attending. It's a beautiful atmosphere. And I have a crew up there. We're involved in many charitable events and rides, and so I'm very happy that they're attending. Unfortunately, I had a wedding to go to, plus I had some legal business, so I couldn't make it this week. It's first time in over 20 years, but I hope everybody's having a good time and playing it safe. And I know the governor in New Hampshire has strict mandates with respect to COVID restrictions, and everybody has to wear masks, and there's limited attendance at the various bars. So they're doing their best to protect all the motorcyclists as well. Beyond that, let me say this to you. New Hampshire's an interesting state, and I got to keep your fingers crossed in this situation. Do you realize it's the only state in the United States that does not require auto insurance? So you can be injured in an accident in New Hampshire, and the other party may have no insurance whatsoever, and they're not doing anything illegal or improper. So that's certainly the first thing we'd have to find out in this situation. On the other hand, if the parties are from Connecticut, we do have minimum insurance of $25,000, and that would be as uninsured motorist protection. So, and there may very well be more, and I've always urged motorcyclists to carry as much uninsured motorist protection as they can afford. Certainly the change from $25,000 to $250,000 would be no more than $80 a year. I'm sorry? And so what I wanted to emphasize is we'll protect them. They don't have to worry one way or another, whether there's insurance on the part of the wrongdoer or not. Uninsured motorist protection on their motorcycles will be an effective measure and means to protect those injured motorcyclists in Connecticut, or for that matter, any other state. The same would hold true if the motorcyclists were in Massachusetts.
And that is good to hear. So hopefully that's some good news for Buck and his wife, that they can get back on their feet and get up to Laconia again sometime in the future. Thank you so much. As always, 1-800-HAYMOND or HaymondLaw.com is where you can go. If you would like some legal help, you can ask the attorney yourself.